Yeah, question number 11. Here in this diagram, S lies PQ and T lies on PR and ST is parallel to, so here is given as a parallel to QR. Explain why triangle PQR has a big triangle similar to PST. So the first reason we can say these two triangles P is common, so small triangle is here, which is PST. The big triangle is going to be PQR. Also the reason is given, this and this are parallel. Okay, so the first one is going to be angle P is common angle for both. Okay, next one is, see, two lines are parallel, so then this angle and this angle is equal because corresponding angle. So we can write angle PST equal to angle PQR, so which is corresponding angle. Also we can write the other way around, PTS equal to PRQ. So same reason, so these two triangles are similar by, we can say, angle criteria or angle criteria. Okay, next question. ST equal to 3. So here ST equal to 3, QR equal to 9. So ST equal to 3, QR equal to 9, PS equal to 5, and we need to find PQ. So PS over PQ, because the two triangles are similar, so we can take PS over PQ. So PS over PQ equal to, other sides I can write ST over QR. ST over QR. So PS is going to be 5 and we need to find PQ. So we need to PS equal to 5 and ST equal to 3 and QR equal to 9. So rearrange here. So 5 times 9 over 3 equal to PQ. So just simplify, which is 15. So the answer is going to be 15. Next, area of a triangle PST is 2k centimeter square, and find the terms of k, area of the quadrilateral QRTS. So we need to find the area, only this area, in terms of k. So PST already area is given 2k, so we know the area factor. So area of triangle, the bigger one is going to be PQR. So area of triangle PQR over area of triangle PST, small triangle, equal to the scale factor, this one 3 increased by 9, which is times 3. So scale factor is 3, so area factor is square, so 3 square, which is area of PQR equal to 3 square is 9, 9 times area of PST. So PST is already given, which is 2k. So area of PQR equal to 9 times 2k, which is 18k. Actually we want only this QRST, so we have to take away the PST there. So PST already we know the area, which is 2k. So 18k minus 2k, so the answer is 16k. So 16k centimeters square. Next, question number 12. A fitness club has 100 members, 60 are sons, 70 are cycle, 25 do not swim. So 25 should be outside. So complete the Venn diagram. So the common is not there, so I'll take common as x. So we know swim is total 60. So when you subtract here, so 60 minus x should be here, and other way 70. So 70 minus x should be here. When you add up all, we have to get 100. So we'll find out the x. So which is going to be 60 minus x plus 70 minus x equal to 25. So this x and x rid of. So 60 plus 70 is 130. This is plus 25 equal to 100. We should write, sorry. So here 60 plus 70 is 130. 130 plus 25, which is 155, minus x equal to 100. So 155 minus 100 equal to x, which is equal to 55. So the middle one is going to 55 we found. So here 60 minus 55, this is going to be 5. Here 70 minus 55, it is going to be 15. So the first part is done, completing the Venn diagram. So next, part B, one member of the fitness club is chosen as random. Find this member P of C. So C is going to be here. The entire C is total 70 are there. So one person is, which is 70 by 100. Total 100 people. So C is 70. So which is 7 over 10. Next, S intersection C. So the common area 55. So 55 over 100. It's probability out of 100 there are 55 for both. So 55 over 100. We can go for 11 by 20 for simplification. We can leave the answers of 55. So or 11 by 20. Just we simplify by 5 times table. Next, S union C other than C. So first we go for other than C. Other than C is this 5 and 25. So now S union. So S is, we know already, total there are 60. 60 plus 25. So which is here 60 plus 25 over 100, which is 85 over 100. So we can go for lowest term, or we can leave 85 by 100. Lowest term we can reduce by 5 times table. This is 1, then 7 over 20. So 17 over 20. Next, question number 13. M equal to 2 power 7, 3 cube and 5 square. Write 14m. So 14m we have to multiply 14 both the sides. So 14 m equal to, so I'll write 2 power 7 times 3 cube times 5 square times 14. So 14 is, prime factor is 2 times 7. So I'll write 2 and 7 here. So we'll add up 1 2 here, which is 2 power 8 and 3 cube, then 5 square, then 7. That's the answer here. 2 power 8 times 3 cube times 5 square times 7. So we need to leave the answer as the index form. So this is the index form. Next, r is an integer, m over r is a cube number. So m is given already, so which is 2 power 7 times 3 cube times 5 square. So this is our m. So next, something when you divide is become a cube number. Cube number, as we know, so because everything we have to get cube. So we'll write r. So now next line I'll write this 7. I can write 2 cube times 2 cube times 7. This is this is 2. So the total become 2 power 7. Next is 3 cube. Next is 5 square. 5 square is, there is no, not even a 3. So we can write like this. So when you divide by all the cube numbers going to be, it will get a cube. So this is applicable, this is okay, so this is okay. We'll get a cube number. So only multiply by 2 multiply by 5 square we have to divide. Then the entire thing going to be a cube number. So the r is going to be 2 times 5 square, which is 5 square is 25. So 25 times 2, which is 50. 50 is the final answer here. Next, find the value of 3 square divided by 3 power negative 2. So 3 square divided by 3 power negative 2, which is going to be 3 power 2 plus 2, which is 3 power 4. So the answer is going to be 81. So which is 3 square times 3 square, which is 9 times 9, 81. Next one, 16 minus 3 by 2. So 16 minus 3 by 2. So I'll write here 1 by 16 power 3 by 2. I'll make it positive. Okay, then 1 by, so 1 by 2 is square root of 16 whole power 3. So the answer is 1 by 4 cube, so 1 by 64. So 1 over 64 is the correct answer. Okay, next question number 15, x square minus 64 factorize. So this one we can write x square minus 8 square, which is equal to x plus 8 times x minus 8. So x plus 8 times x minus 8. Next question, question B. Here, yeah, so here x minus 2y, here 1x minus 2y is common, so I'll bring x minus 2y's out. So first part 5x is left, second part, so here 6 into x minus 2y is left, so expand and simplify. So x minus 2y into here 5x plus 6y minus 12y, which is x minus 2y into 5x plus 6x, which is 11x minus 12y. So the final answer is x minus 2y into 11x minus 12y. Next question number 16. Here AB, BD are two sides of a regular 15 side polygon. So this is 15 side polygon. Next, AB and BC is another polygon, two sided is given a number of polygons. So the angle also is given here 14. Find the value of a number of sides. So first I'll take this polygon. So it's given total 15 sides. So we'll find the total number of total angles. So which is 15 sum of, so I'll find one angle is going to be 15 minus 2 times 180 over 15 sides, so I'll divide by 15, so which is 13 times 180 over 15. So I'll just divide here, so 15 then 30, so it's going to be 2. So 13 times 12, so 13 times 12 when you multiply, so 6 then 2 5 1 156 will get. So this angle is going to be 156. Now together, now there is another polygon which is 156 plus 14. 156 plus 14, total is 160 degree the interior angle. So I'll find the exterior angle. Exterior is going to be 180 minus 160, which is 20. So number of side of the polygon, so 360 divided by exterior angle, which is 36 divided by 2 is going to be, so this is 56 60, sorry, here is 170 degree, so here is 170 degree, so it's going to be 10 degree. So I'll okay, so here we got 156. Here this angle is going to be 156, so the entire angle is going to be 156 plus 14, which is equal to 60, 170. So this 170 is going to be the interior angle of AB and BC. So exterior is 180 minus 170, which is going to be 10. So now number of sides of the polygon, sides is exterior angle, 360 divided by exterior, which is going to be 36. So number of side is 36. Next question number 17. B is the point of minus 3 comma 1 and D is the point of, okay, BD is the diagonal of a kite. So a kite will draw like this, okay. So this kite, which is A, B, C, D, I'll draw the diagonals here. Okay, so B and D is given, so which is negative 3 comma 1 and negative 5 comma 9. So first part, the ratio of the length of the diagonal is BD ratio AAC, 2 ratio 3. Work out the length of AC. So here we have BD, the coordinates are given. So first we will find the BD, the length, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So minus 5 minus plus 3 whole square, because x2 minus x1. So okay, so minus is plus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is 9 minus 1 whole square, which is minus 5 plus 2 is minus 5 plus 3 is going to be negative 2. Negative 2 square is going to be positive 4 plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 square is 64, which is square root of 68. Square root of 68, which is, we can write square root of 68. So we have to write 4 times 17. So we'll get 2 root 17. Okay, so we got the BD length. So now from the triangle, some ratio is given. Ratio is BD over AC equal to 2 over 3. Already we know BD, so I'll substitute 2 root 17 over AC equal to 2 over 3. From this one gives, so 2 root 17 times 3 over 2 equal to AC. So this 2 got rid of. The final answer going to be 3 root 17 is the answer for first part. Next, find the coordinate of the midpoint of BD. So BD is going to be, so here minus 3 and minus 5. So x1 plus x2 by 2. So minus 3 minus 5 over 2, come on, 1 plus 9 over 2. 1 plus 9 over 2, which is, so here is like minus 8 over 2 and 10 over 2, which is minus 4 and 5. Next, the diagonal AC of the kite passes through the point BD. So find the equation of AC. So y equal to mx plus c, y equal to, so first we need to find the gradient of BD. So B we have and D we have, so gradient is going to be, so gradient of BD. So we know change of y over change of x. Change of y is 9 minus 1 over 9 minus 1 over minus 5 minus of minus 3, which is 8 over minus 2 which is equal to minus 4. So gradient of AC is, we know, negative reciprocal. So here is negatives become positive, then 1 over 4. So now the equation become 1 by 4x plus c for the AC line equation. So y equal to is passing through the midpoint. So midpoint already we have minus 4 comma 5. So just plug in here, so we'll get the answer. So y equal to 5 equal to 1 by 4 of negative 4 plus c. 4 got rid of minus 1. 5 equal to minus 1 plus c when the 6 equal to c. So just substitute here y equal to 1 by 4x plus 6. That's a final answer, 1 by 4x plus 6. Next question number 18. So rationalize the denominator. So 20 over 4 plus root x. So multiply 4 minus root x over 4 minus root x, which is 20 into 4 minus root x over, so 4 plus root 6 and 4 minus root 6. I'll multiply 16 minus 4 root 16 plus 4 root 16, so minus 6. This and this got rid of. 16 minus 6 is going to be 10. So this become 2. So 2 into 4 minus root 6, which is 8 minus 2 root 6. That's a final answer, 8 minus 2 root 6. Next, question number 19. The diagram shows a box in the shape of cuboid. Mala has the straight rod in the length of 10 centimeter. So show that the rod does not fit completely inside the box. So she cannot put in the vertical way because vertical height only 7. So she can put only in the diagonal way, this one. So we have to check this diagonal length. If this is 10 or less, so it will be fit. If it's less than 10, so it 10 or this length is going to be 10 or more, it will fit. If less than 10, it's not going to fit. So here we'll find the diagonal. So we need to draw here. Yeah, so this height we know, which is 7. So we need to find this length. That length is going to be square diagonal, which is square root of 5 square plus 5 square, which is square root of 25 plus 25, which is square root of 50. Okay, now this length we have, which is square root of 50. Then we'll use Pythagoras and find the length. So diagonal, okay, so square root of 50 square plus 7 square. So which is equal to square root of square root and square is gone. So 50 plus 49, which is square root of 99. So as we know, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is going to be 100. This answer must be between 9 and 10. So 9 point something will get the answer. So the rod is 10 centimeters, so it does not fit. So we have to write is less than 10. So the rod does not fit. Next, question number 20. F of x equal to 21 over 2x minus 1. So find g of 2. So g of 2 is going to be g function here. G of 2 equal to 3 of 2 plus 4. Wherever x is there, we have to plug in 2. So 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So this answer going to be 10. Okay, next g f of minus. First we have to do g f of minus 1, then you have to put it in g. So f of minus 1 equal to, so 21 over 2 of minus 1 minus 1. So which is 21 over minus 2 minus 1, 21 over minus 3, which is minus 7. So this value just we have to put it in g. g of minus 7 equal to 3 times minus 7 plus 4, which is minus 21 plus 4, which is equal to minus 17. So this answer is negative 17. Next, f inverse of x. So f of x is going to be y equal to 21 over 2x minus 1. Now change x and y, swap x and y. So 21 over 2y minus 1. So from here 2y minus 1 equal to 21 over x, rearranging. So 2y equal to 21 over x plus 1. So 2y, right side I'll make LCM. So 21 plus x over x. Now bring the 2 here. Y equal to 21 plus x over 2x. Thus answer 21 plus x over 2x. Okay, next part, solve f of x equal to g of x. So f of x is 21 by 2x minus 1. 21 over 2x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Bring this 3x plus 4 times 2x minus 1. So 21 equal to 6x square minus 3x plus 8x minus 4. 21 equal to 6x square plus 5x minus 4. So 6x square plus 5x, this 21 bring it right, so it will become negative 25, then equal to 0. So my negative 21 minus. So now we have to factorize. I'll use the quadratic formula minus b, so which is minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square, which is 25 minus 4a, then negative 25c over 2 times 6 2a, which is negative 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus so 25 times 4 is 100, 100 times 6, which is 600 over 12. So next, negative 5 plus or minus square root of 625 over 12, which is minus 5 plus or minus 25 over 12. So now x equal to one part is minus 5 plus 25 over 12, another one is x equal to minus 5 minus 25 over 12. So which is 20 over 12, and here is minus 30 over 12. So the answer is, here go for simplest form. So 4 times table 5 over 3, and here is like 6 times table minus 5 over 2. So one answer is minus 5 over 2, another answer is 5 over 3. Next, question number 21. So here the figure is given, so we need to draw y equal to cos x. As we know, sin 0 equal to cos x. So cos 0 equal to 1, because we need to draw 0 to 360. Next, cos 9d is going to be, so I'll draw 9d is going to be 0, then 180 is going to be negative 1, then cos 270 is going to be 0 again, then cos 360 is going to be 1. So the graph is going to be, you have to end here because the limit is until 360. Next, solve the equation 2 cos x plus root 3 equal to 0. So 2 cos x equal to negative root 3. So cos x equal to negative root 3 over 2. So cos is negative in the second quadrant and the third quadrant. Cos is negative. So so now we have to find x equal to, the angle is going to be root 3 by 2. Root 3 by is going to be cos 30. So angle is 30. This is not our answer. So this is the first quadrant answer. So we need to find second quadrant and third quadrant. Then only cos is negative, because negative 3 by 2. So second quadrant we have to do 180 minus 30, which is 50. First answer is 50. Third quadrant is 180 plus 30. It is going to be 210. Next, a graph with the equation y square plus bx plus c has a minimum point. So the vertex form is given, so we need to find out b and c. So vertex form, you know, which is equal to x plus x minus p whole square plus q. So here is the first term is empty, so no problem, it is positive even. So y equal to x, this is minus of minus plus x plus 5 whole square plus 12. That's it. So we have to expand x plus 5 plus into x plus 5, x plus 5 into x plus 5, which is x square plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. So x square plus 10x plus 25. So here is x square plus 10x plus 25 plus 12. So the answer is x square plus 10x plus 37. Oh, so here b's place we have is a 10, so b equal to 10, and c's place we have as 37, so here answer is 37. Next, question number 23. So a diagram shows a major sector AOB of a circle. The sector angle is 240 and the center is 12 and the radius is 12. Show that the length of the major arc AB is 16.5. So length of the major arc, so 240 over 360 times 2 into pi into radius, which is 12. So just simplify time. So 0 10 times table we can reduce it, then 112 and 3 is 36, so 3 and 8, so 8 times 2 16, so 16 pi. So we proved is a 16 pi. Next, OA joined to OB, the OA and OB both the radius just joined, so it's become a cone, so it will become like this. So here is like this. So A and B now join together this space. Okay, so this is the slanting height is going to be 12 and yeah, 12. So find so we need to find the volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we need to radius 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we need radius and the height. So first we need to find the radius and we need to find the height as well. So radius is going to be, so this entire circle is the length of this, because just we connected A and B, so this full thing going to be the circle now, so just connected. So 2 pi r equal to so already we found 16 pi, because the previous part we have done here 16 pi. So now here pi and pi is rid of, 2r equal to 16, r equal to 8. So we got the radius. Then we'll find the height here. So height, this is 12 and down just we found 8. So height is going to be square root of 12 square minus 8 square, which is square root of 144 minus 64, which is going to be square root of 80. So square root of 80, we can write square root of 16 times 5, so 4 root 5. So this is our height. Now we need to find the volume. So volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r square, which is 8 square into height is going to be 4 root 5. So here we cannot do anything. So 1 time pi times 64 times 4 root 5 over 3, which is 64 times 4, which is 24, then 16, 256 root 5 pi over 3. We need to leave the answer as a root b into pi over 3. So we left, so we got this answer. This is the final answer for us. Next, last question number 34. 27 27 nx equal to 9 power x whole square. So we'll make the prime factor both the side, which is 3 cube whole power nx equal to 3 square, so 2x whole square. So now this is 3 power 3 times nx equal to 4x. So we'll compare both the side. 3 nx equal to 3 as 3nx equal to 4x. We compare both the side. So here is x got rid of, so 3n equal to 4, n equal to 4 over 3. That's the final answer, n equal to 4 over 3. Yeah, that's the end of the paper.